People, listen up. We got a show today, but we got one problem, baby. It's LA. It's the city that never sleeps. The city that never rains. It's always 72 and sunny, except for today, baby. So we're gonna see. We got a show. We're gonna see. Do people not come because of the rain? What up? I'm Ren.
Jose, Raya.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You need help unloading?
Well, this is just my shit, but Isaac and everyone else is coming and they got all their shit, so.
They got everything else, like drums and whatnot?
Yeah, drums, PA. Do you have a mic by any chance?
I have not checked that actually.
Okay.
I assume you guys were bringing that with
Okay,
PA.
I have my own mic, but I usually just use my own mic because it's, you know, people like spitting in it and shit, so I usually try not to use it, or not to lend it out just because.
It is that season right now where everyone's kind of getting sick, so that makes sense.
Yeah.
Did you want to go inside and leave
Yeah,
stuff in there?
that'd be sick. How's it going? I'm Ren.
Steve.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
My guitar has a backup just in case.
Sick.
Yeah, so you never know when somebody's might need like a full guitar, string might pop or something.
Yes, we had that happen last show. Like right when we got there, we are like, oh, okay. And we had extra strings things. I was like, oh fuck. Oh my god. Oops.
How was the recording at the pit for you guys?
It was sick.
Yeah.
I was like, we were really nervous.
Yeah, I bet. Okay, me too.
Yeah, we were like really nervous. But then obviously we started with drums, and that went out like super great. Because we didn't record with a click, but we practiced with a click a ton to get like the timings of the sections. So we were kind of like, we had click maps made in Pro Tools. We didn't really know how it was gonna work. But Taylor just figured it out so quick. Guitars were super fun because he's so creative.
I was watching the videos. He gets real creative with guitar tones.
He was
it was insane.
It was so sick, and he changed so much shit. And he was he asked so many questions. He was like, what are your dreams, guitar tone dreams? And we gave him just a ton of just stuff we liked. He really listened to it. Our guitarist, he really likes Faith No More and kind of these kind of crunchy sounds.
Yeah.
So he was he listened to a bunch of Faith No More on his iPhone. I cut that part out of the video. I wish I would have kept it. He listened to a ton of it.
So
This guy. That guy's all bundled up.
Isaac.
Ryan, nice to meet you, bro.
Oh, yeah. Do you have anything you need help loading in?
Yeah, I got a whole car full of shit. Yeah.
Let's go. So we can do that.
Leave you close to me. Got it. People, listen, this is the most fun part of the whole entire thing. Look, it's the most fun part of the entire thing.
Shit.
Whoa!
What's up, Ren?
What up?
How you doing?
So good.
Good.
Did y'all park your little car over there?
Yeah, it's right here.
I love when they say that parking's gonna be so hard.
Hold on, everyone, I'm gonna pick it up right here real quick. All right.
the? It just like fell out.
It just fell off. I don't think
Okay.
it's a big deal. It's easy to break.
Yeah. We had a tube fall out of an amp. We had a tube fall out of an amp.
The tube fell out. Yeah, it fell over like this, boom, and it fell out. On this one. No more standing in the back. I know, never again.
Sounds like a bass.
Please.
This looks so sick.
We tried it out and we got everything together and we did a jam and it's super good.
Fuck yeah. Doom, doom, doom. Dude, we have a whole drum set. That's crazy.
Yeah, we have a dual drum set now. Roman put together. It's like we just pay whenever we got it.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so.
God, Roman's great. How do you spell cassette? C-A...
S-S-E-T-T.
Nice.
Oh, but my dad doesn't know if he has siblings or not.
Oh my god.
Because she left a photo for him to find when she was dead.
People, look, it's 6:30. You know, let's see. We play at like 9:45 or something. Truly beautiful night here in Los Angeles. Nothing better than this. So look, I guess we're gonna fucking see. I would love to go to gyms right now, if I'm being real with you. You know, I actually really do want to say this. I kind of fucking low-key love when it rains in LA. I think it's kind of great because it just never fucking happens. You know what I mean? Just having a really little reflection moment. It's like pretty cool.
Has been the most significant day? One that you like?
I would say 30 felt like it was like, whoa, this is different. Like I felt like I was like, something's fucking different.
Yeah?
When I was 30. It felt scary. I was like, holy shit.
Like, what do I do?
Yeah, I was like, I had a little freak out. I was like, oh my god. That scared the shit out of me. Like, the tattoos are now.
Yeah.
Okay.
They kind of just gave up to stop me from doing anything.
Okay.
I was like 18.
They're like, fuck it.
Yeah, because I just started coming home with it. Stuff, I think they tried to be like the
I should just bounce it to the monster.
back. People, we don't like microplastic, but we don't have a choice. You'll see.
It's in there.
You'll see. No.
That's so hard.
No banana.
Rice and chickpeas.
This? Classic, but not that.
Reveal.
Okay, B, yeah, fuck.
People, listen. A good fucking turnout, okay? Maybe the rain ain't too bad, baby. One more band, then it's us. I think I'm gonna start this set with my jacket on. Pro move.
Oh, yeah, dude, it's so heavy. But it's funny because, like, they obviously sell it next door. That's where he got it.
when the nerves start, baby.
Come back next time. Come back next time.
Thank you. You guys were so fucking good. Fucking blew me away, actually. Really? Yeah. Fuck yeah. I've seen a couple footage of some of you guys I'm pretty sure it's different. Thank you. You guys put on a whole performance. It's fucking sick.
Why the fuck did you tell me you were the last man lane?
I'll tell you next time.
Why the fuck? And I can't buy this.
Look, I need it. I can't. I need it. I need it.
Oh God.
Next time.
You did good. I fucking love you.
I'll catch you a little later. It was such a pleasure seeing you guys play. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being
Oh my God. Thank you. Okay, give me 1 sec. Thanks for being here.
Of course.
See you. I'm like,
No, that was sick.
that fucking man. He picked. Here, yeah, this is our 4th show where we like spent a ton of time writing and like just recording and like practicing and stuff.
Until next time. When did you guys do the show?
When's our next show? Next weekend, but in San Diego. San Diego, you can go to Arizona. You love that place. Okay, I'm not doing my mind. And Tucson's not that bad.
I love Tucson. Better than Phoenix.
We're playing here though in February.
Oh my God. I love the outfit.
Thank
Your
you.
body is cute.
Thank you so much. That's what I need to hear.
You guys are really good. I want to get a consent.
Oh my, thank you so fucking much. Yeah, I love your, like, eyeshadow looks like it's like airbrush.
Oh,
So
really?
nice, yeah. It's like so soft. It's like very,
Oh, thank you. Your set was
yes.
so beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Sounded amazing.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Sounded really fucking good.
Thank you.
I have to give my props. That was awesome.
Thank you.
That was very cool to see you guys.
People, listen, great show, very fun, so fun. It was one of the best shows ever. I'll do it again every day. Loved it. Listen, the rain can't hold us back. Los Angeles is so strong. We come out for hardcore rock and roll, even when it's raining, okay? So look, like, comment, subscribe.